Okay, so now that you can have so we have the left arm selected, we've moved down our point. We're going to go down here to right next to the dangle tool, and this is the dragger tool. We're just going to click on it here, and then we're going to go over here and we're going to select the right arm, do the same thing. Move this so that it's down here and go and put a dragger to here. And then if we go back to record, if you take your mouse, I can now take and I can pretty much do whatever I want with them, which is kind of weird. So I'm going to show you how you would put like a bone in one, but that you can just make sure that you can. And if you like this, that's fine. Just make sure that it's in a position that I know that you have moved it. Okay, so, but if you don't, you want to make it more realistic. If you go back to the rig and you go down here to the line tool. So if I take and I make a line from here to here, and then I go to my other arm, and I make a line from here to here, all I'm doing is clicking. Now if I go back to record, I should be able to move it just up and down. It's more like a real arm. Eventually, if you were doing it, you would have a joint and an elbow, etc. But once you have done this and you have them dangling and the arms moving, please show me. And if you have any questions, please let me know.